gutari kunene no kwa ndagika ino Vice Chair wa Royal Media Services Gathoni Macharia ni atugitwo na ngerenwa ya Lifetime Achievement Award thiini wa igongona riria rihaririirio ni All Africa Media Leaders Summit ria mwaka uyu. Gathoni Macharia yukitie ngerenwa ino na ni kionereria kiega thiini wa wira wake wa guthondeka na kwagirithia riera riega thiini wa uruti wa wira wa umemerekia thiini wa ceceni cia TV na radio guku bururi-ini na gukungwira taranda citiganite. Waithira wa Duati ni wotuhaririirie riboti ino.
To one, Purity Macharia. She's the recipient of this Lifetime Achievement Awards.
Igongona-ini ria All Africa Media Leaders Summit ria mwaka wa 2024, Vice Chair wa kambuni ya Royal Media Services Gathoni Macharia ni atugitwo ngerenwa gatagati-ini ka atongoria ngeta President wa nahau kabere wa bururi wa Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo na murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Radio Africa Patrick Wako. Gathoni Macharia tugitwo ngerenwa ya Lifetime Achievement Award ni kubacirira na guthondeka riera riega ria uruti wira wa umemerekia ceceni-ini iria cietikirikite guku bururi-ini cia TV na radio.
The Vice Chairperson of the Royal Media Services, Renee Macau, will be able to receive the award on her behalf. The Royal Media Services is the leading media house in Kenya today. It commands some of the highest numbers in audiences in television, radio.
To say thank you very much for honoring our esteemed Madam Vice Chair, Purity Gathoni Macharia, who together with our chairman, Dr. S.K. Macharia, are the founders behind the formidable industry force that has become known as Royal Media Services Limited. Citizen TV, Radio Citizen, Citizen Digital, these are some brands under our very big umbrella of 14 radio stations, 3 TV stations, and very vibrant online platforms.
Ngerenwa ino yukite na urito wa guthukira kambuni ya Royal Media Services wiyathi wa umemerekia wa gikiro kia iguru oro hamwe na wira wake gwitikirika nginyagia thi cia nja.
To be recognized by esteemed peers and colleagues is an honor that resonates not just through my career but through the very core of my personal ethos. Royal Media Services has been more than just a workplace for me. It has been a garden where my passion for media and communication has been nurtured.
Ayaka Sonaya, please come to stay.
Girifotera Inoro TV. Ritoria kwani Waithira wa Duati.
Na wale mahutitio ni muiyuro kumana thiini wa itura ria Mathare ni mamukirite uteithio wa irio na indo ingi citiganite kuma kuri gikundi gia Saidika na kiria giteithagia gukorwo magietha uteithio kugerera mitambo ya kiriu ya ukinyaniria. Gikundi giki unyitaniri wa hakuhi na shabiki.com ni maheanite mitu, shukari, mathabuni na indo ingi cia mahuthiro na kuria Shabiki maheanire itangi ria mai ria litangiri 10 ria kugetha mai matheru ma mbura. Ukinyaniri unyitaniri no akurehe hamwe andu a wendi mwega, ikundi citari cia githirikari rondo mwe na niguo gukorwo magiteithiriria aria mahutitio ni mitino na mogwati. Niguo gucangira hari aria mahutitio hihinya *802# na ninge shabiki.com ni muthako wa thimo na niguo nigetha kwihotanira thie rurenda-ini rwa www.shabiki.com na urumirire mitaratara ugie munyaka.
And also impact more than 250 lives who are being sustained by this organization within this region. And through the generosity of all Kenyans throughout the country, we've been able to impact more than 250 lives collectively.
Sana leo kama shabiki.com kukuja hapa kuungana na Mathare Peace Initiative kudonate water tank ambayo itatumika kusaidia na kukuza jamii ya Mathare. During this rainy season, watatumia hiyo, the water will be harvested in the tank, it will be treated and the public around Mathare will be able to access clean water.
Na tugicokereria atafania ikirekeria gatatu ria kigomano kia Limuru kuga gikahingurirwo andu othe gutari muthutukanio.
Oya kanya gaka twina special offers hari Gauge 30 box profile na shiringi 400, Roman tile profile na shiringi 543, stone coated tiles